Welcome back, smart buyers. Today, we're diving into the wild world of drones. That's right. If you've ever dreamed of being a spy, a filmmaker, or just annoying your neighbors from above, we've got two fantastic options for you. On the left, we have the LMRC-12 drone, and on the right, the Techwonderz drone with camera. Let's see which one will make you the next aerial ace, and which one might just crash and burn. First up, the cameras. The LMRC-12 boasts a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle. It's like having a mini Hollywood director in your pocket. Meanwhile, the Techwonderz drone also rocks a 1080p HD dual camera setup with a front camera that can rotate 90 degrees, plus it has a 50x zoom. Reviewers say that the Techwonderz camera quality is excellent and perfect for detailed shots. On the other hand, LMRC-12 users appreciate its straightforward and reliable camera for general aerial photography. If you want to get every detail of your neighbor's new haircut, Techwonderz has got your back. But if you're more into straightforward aerial shots, LMRC-12 is your go-to. Now, don't get creepy with that zoom, folks. Next, let's talk about ease of use. The LMRC-12 is so simple, even your grandma could pilot it. With features like headless mode, one key start landing, and hand gesture photo, it's like the drone equivalent of a self-driving car. Reviewers often highlight its ease of setup and stable flight, making it ideal for beginners. On the flip side, Techwonderz also keeps it easy with optical flow positioning and altitude hold mode. Reviews praise its intuitive controls and the fun experience it offers, even for kids. So if you're a beginner or someone who often gets lost in their own backyard, both drones have got you covered. But I'd say the LMRC-12 is like the training wheels of drones, while Techwonderz is more like a Tesla. Choose wisely. Now, let's talk about how long these bad boys can stay in the air. The LMRC-12 gives you 26 minutes of flight time with its two modular batteries. That's enough time to film your dog's entire nap. Reviewers find this sufficient for casual flying sessions. But Techwonderz takes it up a notch with a whopping 50 minutes. That's enough time to film your dog's nap, wake up, and the subsequent zoomies. Users rave about its extended battery life, making it ideal for longer adventures. If you're into marathon flying sessions, Techwonderz wins this round hands down. But hey, 26 minutes isn't too shabby either. Just remember, more flight time means more time to get stuck in a tree. Special features time. The LMRC-12 can follow a path you draw in the app, has a brushless motor for strong wind resistance, and offers 3 flight speeds. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Reviewers love its versatility and strong wind resistance. Techwonderz, on the other hand, has 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, waypoint functions, and even a follow me mode. It's like the drone version of a parkour expert. Users appreciate its advanced features and the fun, interactive flying experience. So, if you're looking for a drone that can dodge trees like a ninja and follow you around like a loyal puppy, Techwonderz is your guy. But if you want a versatile all-rounder, LMRC-12 is no slouch either. Overall, reviewers find the LMRC-12 to be a great value for beginners, offering good video quality and ease of use, though some mention issues with the app and build quality. On the other hand, the Techwonderz drone is praised for its excellent camera quality, ease of use, and advanced features, making it a hit among both beginners and more experienced users. So there you have it, folks. The LMRC-12 is your budget-friendly, easy-to-use, no-nonsense drone, while the Techwonderz offers more advanced features and longer flight time, but at a higher price. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying and try not to crash into too many trees. And remember, buy smart, fly smarter. Product links are in the description.